Father shot close to school in Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Andrews South Police have launched an investigation into the shooting death of a man outside a primary school in Kingston on Friday. He has been identified as Deshaun Newry, a 36-year-old resident of Barbican Address. Reports are that at around 8:30 a.m., Newry dropped off his two children at school and was returning to his car when a lone gunman opened fire on him. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The police have since commenced an investigation.
I don't even know him about. I chat him get. I take one him carry and move with him, you know. And can't go dash him. Bro, you have black the video there, take away yourself to go with them. Dog, and I don't hear no shot too. No, I'm doing the phone with the pan TikTok or what some. Show the dog must know him.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.